If you are looking for a way to make your warehouse more productive and efficient, you need equipment that offers the perfect combination of powerful performance and intelligent design. Introducing the Sinolift OPSM Mini Electric Order Picker, ready to deliver unmatched efficiency and versatility across various applications. Designed to excel in narrow aisles, its robust mast ensures maximum stability and control during elevated operations. Experience seamless maneuverability with its tight turning radius and compact build, allowing for swift navigation through tight warehouse spaces. With adjustable storage tray controls and simultaneous driving and lifting capabilities, your workflow remains uninterrupted. Speed through tasks with agility, reaching up to 6.5 kilometers per hour, and a slow mode for increased control, all powered by a reliable lithium-ion battery with onboard charging for added convenience. Safety is paramount, and our OPSM order picker comes with features like a sensor foot switch, speed limitation, locking gates when the operator is in the control compartment, an emergency stop button, and automatic braking to guarantee the operator's safety in any situation. Step into the spacious operator compartment where stress-free operation meets intuitive control. Monitor truck metrics effortlessly with the multi-function display, providing real-time insights into performance and maintenance needs. Additional access to the vehicle brake and lifting main controls and be achieved via a front-mounted control panel. The Sinolift OPSM Mini Order Picker reaches a maximum height of up to 3 meters, giving you the flexibility you need to be efficient in your warehouse. Equipped with durable polyurethane drive wheels, the OPSM Order Picker boasts a maximum capacity of 90 kilograms on the storage tray and 150 kilograms on the bottom platform, ensuring seamless handling of goods. The Sinolift OPSM Order Picker redefines efficiency and ergonomics in task support vehicles, empowering your warehouse operations for enhanced productivity and performance. Experience the difference today with the Sinolift OPSM Mini Electric Order Picker.